Yes, beta. Today we will do few questions on circles. First question is prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. It means we want to prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. It is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. First of all, we know AP is equal to AS. Reason being, tangents from a point outside the circles are equal in length. Next, it will be PB. PB is equal to BQ. मैंने इसको PB is equal to BQ लिखा है. I will not write BQ is equal to BP. बेटा ये है तो ठीक, but when we will add these two, तो AP plus BP we will get a straight line AB. Similarly, AP plus PB will become AB. Now I will write dr is equal to ds and cr is equal to cq. Reason is tangents from a point outside the circle are equal in length. Adding all these, we will get AP plus PB plus DR plus CR is equal to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. AP plus PB is our AB plus CD is equal to AS plus SD. ये AS और SD इसको कंबाइन कर लिया. This will get AD and BQ plus CQ. This will get BC. Now as ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore opposite sides are equal. So I can write this CD as AB, या AB को CD लिख दो या CD को AB लिख दो. तो it will be AB plus AB is equal to AD plus AD, which means 2AB is equal to 2AD or AB is equal to AD. Now these are the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. When two adjacent sides of the parallelogram are equal, of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rhombus. Hence proved. बेटा इसमें एक MCQ में ऐसे क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं. As we know, AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So if you are given three sides AB, BC, CD, DA for any quadrilateral, sum of the two opposite sides will be equal. That's all. Second question is, two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that PTQ is equal to 2OPQ. Let angle PTQ is equal to X. Now TP is equal to TQ. Therefore, I will name it, let it be 1 and 2 for the triangle. This is our X. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, isosceles property. Now OP is perpendicular to TP as radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. So then we can write angle OPT is equal to 90 degree. Let it be 90 degree. In triangle TPQ, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle x is equal to 180. As 1 is equal to 2, so you can write twice of angle 1 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Divide by 2, angle 1 plus angle x by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Equate these two. OPT. Now OPT was 90 degree, then OPQ will be 90 minus angle 1. OPQ will be, angle OPQ will be 90 minus angle 1. तो यहाँ से आप ले सकते हैं बेटा 90 निकाल लीजिए. एंगल OPQ plus angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Both are 90. Equate them. Angle 1 plus angle x by 2 is equal to angle OPQ plus angle 1. Angle 1 both sides. So angle x by 2. X by 2 means angle x is equal to twice angle OPQ. Angle x was your PTQ or angle PTQ is equal to twice angle OPQ. बेटा इसको आपने करना क्या है? This total angle was 90. 90 minus 1 is this angle. ये आपने निकाल लिया और ये निकाल लिया, दोनों 90 के रिलेशन में उनको इक्वेट कर दिया, तो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल PTQ. हाँ जी बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. दिस इज फ्रॉम द एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल्स. The wheels of a car are diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? इसमें radius is equal to, diameter was 80, radius is 40 centimeter. We know distance covered in one revolution is 2 pi r. Distance covered by a wheel in one revolution is 2 pi r, which will be 2 pi r is 40. It will come out 1760 अपॉन 7 सेंटीमीटर. ये एक रेवोल्यूशन में इतना डिस्टेंस कवर होगा. वी वांट टू नो द नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस मेड बाय द व्हील इन 10 मिनट्स. तो लेट अस कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड, टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 10 मिनट्स. स्पीड इज इक्वल टू 66 kilometer per hour. I will change it into centimeter per minute. 10 minutes time given है आपको. It will be 66 into 1000 meter into 100 centimeter upon 60. This will be per minute, centimeter per minute. It will come out 1,10,000 centimeter per minute. This is the distance covered in 1 minute. So distance covered in 10 minutes, distance covered in 10 minutes will be, multiply this by 10, centimeters. Now I want to know the number of revolutions. Number of revolution is total distance divided by distance covered in 1 revolutions. Number of revolutions is equal to distance covered in 10 minutes. Distance covered in 10 minutes divided by distance covered in 1 revolution. 1 revolution, which will be divided by 1760 upon 7. It will be, नीचे वाला नंबर रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा बेटे, इंटू 7 upon 1760. Reduce it, you will get complete revolutions 4375. It is a number, it will have no unit, number of revolutions 4375.